cabinet. Start out with the face frame laying face down. Then slide the side panel into the dovetail grooves. Make sure the toe kick is even with the face frame. Next, you need to slide the shelf into place as well as the top and bottom panels. Now it is time to slide the rear panels into place. Use the metal clips to attach the bottom panel to the face frame. Then slide the cabinet inserts into place. Use the metal clips to secure them to the cabinet. Now it's time to attach the hinges. Use the pre-existing dimples to install the hinges. Put the doors in place and attach them using the provided screws. Repeat your actions for all the doors you have. Now attach the door stops. And now you have assembled your utility cabinet.